Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey Clashers, ever wondered how to truly dominate your attacks? Super troops are your secret weapon, offering enhanced versions of your regular units. Each one brings unique abilities and significantly boosts your offensive power. Activating them requires Dark Elixir or a Super Potion, and they last for 3 days. It's a fantastic way to add a powerful, strategic punch to your army, making your raids even more exciting. So how do you get your hands on this beast? First, your regular Yeti needs to be at least level 9, a true force already. Next, you must have reached Town Hall 12 or higher. That's when the Super Troop Barracks becomes available. Once those requirements are met, simply head to the Super Troop Barracks and activate your Super Yeti using Dark Elixir or a Super Potion. It's a straightforward process to unleash this chilly champion. Now, let's talk about what makes the Super Yeti so incredible. The Super Yeti targets defenses, but its little Yeti mites target any building, clearing paths with impressive efficiency. This dual targeting is fantastic for creating effective funnels. They truly shine in mass attacks, often paired with healers for a strong queen walk or as robust tanks for your other damage dealers. Their high hit points allow them to absorb tremendous damage, pushing your army deep into the enemy base. Even the mighty Super Yeti has its weaknesses, and understanding them helps you use them better. Single-target Inferno towers can quickly melt them down, so try to freeze or distract them. While ground traps like giant bombs can hurt, seeking air mines and air bombs are completely useless. Heavily fortified core defenses, especially multi-target Infernos or Expos, can also stop their advance if you don't clear them efficiently. Always plan your path carefully. For peak performance, pair your Super Yetis with the Grand Warden's Eternal Tome ability, providing incredible invincibility. Always clear surrounding buildings to ensure your Super Yetis stay focused on defenses and don't stray from your path. Looking ahead to 2025, the Super Yeti's unique combination of tanking and pathaying capabilities will undoubtedly keep it as a top-tier offensive choice. Master this frosty giant, and you'll be dominating attacks for a long time to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.